Kesar, a super app which helps farmers to sell their flour produce directly. 2. Our intelligent recommendations enables farmers to wisely choose their next food crop. And 3. The knowledge portal helps them to learn more from the best experts. Our farmer Ganesh Ji from Maharashtra finds the app simple and easy to use. However, today he is worried about selling his marigold produce soon to be harvested in his farm. He navigates to the selling section on the app, enters the details about his produce and location. The app finds him a secure buyer who he can directly contact, relieving him of the market anxiety. Ganesh Ji has decided to change crops for the next crop cycle, since he understands that the demand for flowers is going to be low for the next few months due to the pandemic. Our app gathers all the contextual data from the phone sensors and the internet related to Ganesh Ji's farm location. Later, Ganesh Ji answers a simple set of questions related to his farm to help us better understand the condition of his land. Combining the information collected from Ganesh Ji and our intelligent data set, we recommend Ganesh Ji few crops which are most suitable for his next crop cycle cultivation, assuring him a fantastic yield. He can also talk to a field crop expert to seek help on which crop to select. We provide him with the crop inputs information and other details about the selected crop. The third exciting part of our super app is the knowledge portal, which is the go-to place for quality content on good farming principles, courses, and also a place to connect with other farmers, resolve any doubts with farming domain experts. Kesar is a super app to sell, get intelligent recommendations, and to learn. Kesar, making farmers more financially secure.